Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest videos. Today, we will make one of my favorite potatoes and peas recipe. So let's get started. So first of all, the ingredients we needed: potatoes, 250 grams, and peas, 250 grams with pureed tomatoes, 3 pea seeds, and half tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, dry coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon oil is needed, and 2 glasses of water. And for garnish, we need green coriander. Now which potatoes, and cut them in half, soak them in 2 glasses of water so they don't get black. Now take oil in your cooking pot and cook chopped onions in it until they are golden. Then add tomato puree with green chili paste along with salt, red chili, turmeric, cumin, and dry coriander, and cook until it thickens. After the puree thickens, add peas and cook them on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. When peas soften up a little bit, add potatoes with their water and cook on medium flame until it's done through. Then garnish it with green coriander and enjoy this simple yet delicious recipe with bread or rice.